Multiple news outlets have reported that Kelly Clarkson will be taking over Ellen DeGeneres' old daytime slot. Apparently, NBC isn't going to waste any time and has decided to lock down their plans for when Ellen leaves in 2022. I'm going to get into all those details in just a moment, but first, if you could do us a big favor and please tap that like button, we would really appreciate it. And with that out of the way, let's begin. The Kelly Clarkson show has just been told that they are going to be taking over the daytime slot currently occupied by Ellen DeGeneres. The show is owned and produced by NBC and currently airs across the US on 200 stations. Now, though, it will be billed as daytime's headliner and leading time slots once the Ellen show wraps up her extremely long run on TV. This move to replace Ellen with Kelly is also very smart financially. It was Warner's who owned and produced Ellen, so now NBC will just be eating up all that money from that time slot. The show is currently in its second season and late last year was renewed for 2 additional runs that will bring it through to 2023. The president of NBC Universal spoke about the deal and said, "These are remarkable achievements for a talk show in its second season. We look forward to Ellen DeGeneres' 19th season paired with Kelly Clarkson for what is sure to be a blockbuster year. By 2022, the Kelly Clarkson show will be the star of our daytime entertainment schedules and an asset to our early afternoon newscasts." With Tracy Wilson, an executive VP at NBC, adding, "The Kelly Clarkson show is one of the most optimistic success stories in first-run syndication. It is a treasured part of NBC Universal Syndication Studios' offering, and we are proud to partner with the NBC-owned television stations group to continue the show's success. Kelly and our entire production team put their heart, intent, and incredible passion into making a show that resonates with people of all ages, cultures, and backgrounds. We're working on some big plans for season 3 and are looking forward to becoming the premier show in daytime for years to come." In a recent confirmation to Variety, Ellen DeGeneres said that her show will officially come to an end in 2022, as I mentioned earlier. Ellen has hosted the Ellen DeGeneres show since 2003, and for a very long time, Ellen's show was regarded as one of the top daytime talk shows and held a significant spot on the talk show landscape as a positive platform that often exposed internet sensations to an audience of millions. The show itself has even inspired spin-offs such as the Ellen's Game of Games, The Masked Dancer, Family Game Fight, and Ellen's Greatest Night of Giveaways. Initially back in 2019, there had been rumblings that Ellen had extended her contract and that she wasn't planning on ending the series anytime soon, essentially signing on for another 3 years. However, now the host has decided that when her contract comes to an end in 2022, the show will not continue. During an exclusive statement that she gave to The Hollywood Reporter, Ellen said, "I was going to stop after season 16. That was going to be my last season and they wanted to sign for 4 more years, and I said I'd sign for maybe 1. They were saying there was no way to sign for 1. We can't do that with the affiliates and the stations need more of a commitment, so we settled on 3 more years, and I knew that would be my last. That's been the plan all along." And everybody kept saying, even when I signed, "You know that's going to be 19. Don't you want to just go to 20? It's a good number." "So is 19, she said. Now, as we all know, this comes off of the heels of what has really been a series of controversies and backlash for Ellen that she says has destroyed her. Back in July, BuzzFeed News released a report detailing the allegations of a toxic workplace at the Ellen show, which then prompted an internal investigation that led to the dismissal of some key executives on the show. The other issue was the Ellen's Be Kind mantra that was kind of flipped on its head after she too was exposed for being less than kind in real life. Ellen opened her season 18 in September with a lengthy apology telling viewers that she had learned about things that happened on her production that never should have happened, and then she affirmed that she would be taking it very seriously and that she wanted to apologize to the people who were affected. And for a while there were rumors that comedian Tiffany Haddish would be taking over for Ellen because she had made a few guest host appearances, but now with this Kelly Clarkson confirmation, hopefully those rumors will be put to rest. With that though, let's check out some of your comments from the video titled "Influencers Offered Cash to Spread Vaccine Disinformation." Becca F says, "The fact that there's probably influencers who have taken that deal, it's ridiculous. Some people really would sell their souls to the devil." Yeah, the lengths that some people will go for money is just bizarre. Absolutely bizarre. And evil a lot of the times. Sakura Westrose says, "The world sure is a scary place." I mean, it can be. In some spots, yeah, for sure. Entitled Potato says, "I'm more surprised none of them took it." Honestly, same. Here's Chica says, "I'm glad that the influencer had common sense to not agree to the deal, and to actually expose them for trying to do this. Like, kudos to Leo Grasset for even exposing that someone reached out to him with this deal." Ty Shahar says, "Johnny, did you forget your sunscreen while going to the beach?" Yes, Ty. Yes, I did. I'm glad you noticed. I'm getting a little bit of color, but hey, that's good. Either way, guys, that has been today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I've been your host, Johnny Rogers, and until next time, stay classy, YouTube. I'm going to get into all of those details in just a moment, but first, if you could do us a big favor and please tap that like button, we would really appreciate. Let me try that again. Sorry. Woo! Bless me.